Okay, today we are going to talk about how to place orders using the storefront link or the store link. Right, so after copying your store link and sharing it, this is the interface you see, and this is the interface your customers will see anytime they use your store link to place orders. Now, how do we place orders using the store link? Now, on this interface, there are three tabs there: the MTN tab, the Telecel tab, and the Airtel Tigo tab. So anytime you want to place an MTN order, you just tap on the MTN tab, and this is going to display all the MTN packages available on the storefront. Now I want to place an order for a 1 GB package for MTN. So what I will do is I will click on the order on the 1 GB MTN package. Now this will bring me to this interface. Now there are two things I need to do. First, I need to enter an email account. Now after entering the email account, I need to enter the phone number that is receiving the data. Now after entering the mobile number or the number that is receiving the data, I have to click on the checkout at the bottom right corner of the page. Now doing that will redirect me to the Paystack payment page. Now there are three payment methods over there: the pay with mobile money, pay with card, and then pay with bank transfer. I'm comfortable with paying with mobile money, so I will choose pay with mobile money. Now after clicking on the pay with mobile money, I need to enter my momo number that I'm going to use to make payment, and then choose a network provider. Now my number is MTN, so I will choose MTN. Or once you enter the phone number, the site will automatically choose the network that momo number belongs to. So I will type in the momo number. Now after typing in the momo number, I will click on confirm. Now this should send me a momo prompt. You complete the momo prompt. Now after completing the momo prompt, you wait for a few seconds. If the page doesn't redirect back to the storefront, you click on I've completed payment. That is after waiting 4 or 5 seconds. Then you click on the I've completed payment. Now payment successful. Now once the payment is successful, you receive an instant email which is showing your receipt from Paystack. Now this is how to place an order using the store link. Now you can use the same procedure to place an order for a Telecel package. Now to do that, you need to click on the Telecel tab. Now this is going to display all the Telecel packages on the storefront. Now I want to place an order for 10 GB Telecel package. So what I will do is that I will click on the order on the 10 GB package under the Telecel. And once I do that, I enter an email account. Then I enter the Vodafone or Telecel number that is going to receive the package. After doing that, I click on checkout. Now it will be redirecting to the Paystack checkout. Then you select pay with mobile money. You type in the momo number you are going to use for payment. After that, you click on confirm. This will take you to the or this will bring up a Momo prompt. You complete the Momo prompt. Now after completing the Momo prompt, you wait for a few seconds. If the page doesn't redirect back to the storefront, you click on I've completed payment. That is after waiting 4 or 5 seconds. Now payment successful. Now let's move to the next network, which is Airtel Tigo. To place an Airtel Tigo order, you need to enter, or you need to click on the Airtel Tigo tab. This is going to display all the packages on the Airtel Tigo on the storefront. Now I want to place an Airtel Tigo order of 1 GB. So I'm going to click on the order on the 1 GB package. Now I will enter my email address, enter the Airtel Tigo number, then I click on checkout. This would redirect me to the Paystack payment or checkout. Then I select pay with mobile money. I enter the Momo number, then I click on confirm. This should bring up a Momo prompt. Now after completing the Momo prompt, you wait for a few seconds. If the page doesn't redirect